In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can add any song to Apple Music. Before we get in this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my very best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, you are going to need a computer, Mac or Windows. It doesn't really matter. On a Windows computer, open up that Microsoft Store and search for Apple devices and install it. And then within that app, search and install for the Apple Music app. Once Apple Music is installed, open it up and drag in whatever song file you'd like to add, and you'll see it appear in your Apple Music library on your computer. Next, and you are going to need a cable to do this, just connect your phone to that computer with that cable. If you're on a Mac, you can just use the Finder along with Apple Music. On a Windows, open up the Apple Devices app and it's going to detect your phone. On the left-hand menu, there's going to be an option for music. Select it and then check Sync Music and make sure Sync Entire Music Library is selected. Click Apply in the bottom right and it's going to start syncing. Once that's finished, open up the Apple Music app on your phone and go to your library by selecting library down at the very bottom, and then specifically go into the songs tab. From here, you'll see the song that you just added sorted alphabetically. So go ahead and find it within there, and you can now add it to your playlist or do really whatever you would like. But that's how you can now play custom music straight from Apple Music on your phone. It really is as simple as that. If you have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below. And before you leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.